Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Data Saver on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first and then tap into the search bar at the top and type in Data Saver. One of the search results should be what we're looking for, so tap on this and then you may need to tap on the option again. Once you see the toggle switch next to Data Saver, you can simply use this to turn it on or off. You may be able to further customize what it does on this page or allow certain apps to bypass it. If you couldn't find this option in the settings, check within your main data settings page, as it should be within there. Some apps, such as Chrome, might have their own Data Saver option within the app's own settings. That's how to turn on Data Saver on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.